Don't move! Don't move! Do not move! Do not move! Don't move! Hands up! Put your hands up!
You know, on July 6th, there was a robbery which occurred at the Buyers Imports car lot, in which individuals allegedly took a Porsche SUV. Later on that day, the Fifth Third Bank in Hilliard was robbed, and those individuals were confronted by both the Columbus Police Department as well as the Whitehall Police Department. A shootout occurred. One individual who was part of that robbery, that team, is deceased from that. Two individuals absconded. Their names are Faisal Darad and Aiden A. Jama. Mr. Darad was arrested the next morning at a location here in Columbus. Today, I'm happy to announce that at approximately 12:46 p.m. at the O'Hare Airport in Chicago, Mr. Jama was taken into custody by the United States Marshal Service. And thank you for that. There is something called the long arm of the law, and it was proven today through the coordination of a number of law enforcement entities. As you see here, Mr. Jama, who was attempting to get on a flight and allegedly abscond to Turkey, was taken into custody. So I am very, very proud of the information sharing which occurred between our law enforcement entities. I'm proud of the coordination that occurred. These individuals have been charged with first aiding and abetting a bank robbery, and that carries up to 20 years imprisonment, as well as aiding and abetting the use of a firearm during a crime of violence, which carries a penalty from anywhere from 5 years to life in prison. Again, as I indicated, Assistant United States Attorney Noah Litton will be handling this case for our office, and we are proud to know that. You may ask the question, will we seek detention? And the answer to that question is yes. We will seek for these individuals not to have bond, to keep our community safe. This is a case about keeping the community safe. And alleged attack like this upon a business which is trying to simply sell vehicles, a bank which is trying to do good in the community with the customers to which it serves, and then against our law enforcement officers who are also trying to protect the community, has no place, this type of activity. Again, I am so appreciative of the work that has been done by the Columbus Police Department, by the ATF, by the United States Marshal Service, Mr. Mayor, and by you and the work being done with the citizens here in Columbus. These individuals are innocent until proven guilty. These are only allegations that have been raised by our office, but I am confident under the supervision of Mr. Martinez with the work of Mr. Litton that these individuals will be held accountable for their actions.